I thought I'd actually give a little intro this time because it's not always easy to tell when I post just the POV of racing. So I'm going to lead with some drone footage of a full lap of my son driving my car. That is actually the lap that got him this trophy. This is the trophy I got last time I raced. This time my transponder had issues, but my son represented. So the autocross that I do is really more like a cross track at the local NASCAR track. It's faster, more interesting than most autocross. So I figure this is a good way to kind of frame it up, give people perspective on what I'm doing and in the car by seeing it from the air. Forewarning, from the air it looks a lot slower and a lot less intense, but you get an idea of what the track is and what's going on. So enjoy. Oh, by the way, 3 years since Supercharged. I'll be dropping a longer rambly video after this for those that are interested. All right, let's do this.